What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's option trading platform. Let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of platforms. The first of course is online platform. Now how you're going to do this is to just access your Fidelity account online, and then you want to choose the trade option and select options, and then just enter the symbol of the underlying security. That could be stocks, ETFs, or index, and then just choose the type of options that you want to trade. It could be call, put, or spread. And now just enter the number of contracts, strike price, and expiration dates, and then just review the trade details and just confirm the order. Now for doing this on the mobile app platform, all you want to do is open the Fidelity mobile app on your device, and then you want to choose the trade option and then select options, and then just follow the same steps as the online platform to complete that. Now for the phone trading option, you can just call Fidelity's trading desk. The number is right there on the screen, and that's going to connect you to a trading representative, and all you got to do is just share the trade details with the representative, including the underlying security, option type, number of contracts, the strike price, as well as the expiration dates, and then just confirm the trade details with the representative, and they're going to help you to sort that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's option trading platform. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.